on sunny Battlesbridge, looking for rusty gold. But everyone else is here, and I can't find no rusty gold. So come and have a look what's here.
We're at the jumble, autojumble, or as the Americans like to say, the swap meet.
So then
Cool old signs. Loads of mirrors.
Phone me when you get a phone me, and I'll store your number if I need.
I'll go through the messages and find his fucking name.
what are you working as now?
I'm doing a bit of freelance, if you like, welding.
How the welding?
I'm putting a roll of V8 into an Austin 3 litre.
Nice.
So I had to make the headers to fit in the fucking bay. Split the tunnel and 15 bits.
Go back and have a look.
Anyway, so where comes Ralph's up to you?
Probably in the last 12 years, 13 years, I've probably done about 30. A bloke used to bring them over. He used to ring me and say, "Oh, I'm bringing this one out to some of the but the shells always went to rally. You know, yeah, that's right. Some of the shells were amazing, but like 10 years ago, they were like $3,500 on average. I was paying for the car. But that was a lot of money then when I was paying. And he kept on going up on the price. And yeah.
And I think this is the thing. 6 dials?
That's the thing. We've got to get here and you can't remember what you're looking for. Your brain goes blank, you know. Well, apart from a bird story.
Yeah.
No, that's changing the time. Isn't it? But, yeah.
Lovely dash tops. Not marked 2 bits. Bonnet over there. Got nice bits. RS front end. Couple of Mark 1 Cortina grills. You got a pair there, the pre-cross, the pre-airflow and the airflow one. Yeah. Collecting them.
20 years old, but I've had them.
Oh yeah?
Was you envy on Wednesday?
Cool old sign. Some mini bits.
How much for that, Dad? £395.
What else?
That's it. Just need the right things. I thought it was going to be me.
Nice old bits.
So do you having to have like carry it all like this? You can put all your little bits in there and then carry the big one.
Another bag. I thought, get anything
Oh, here.
smaller than that.
Put in it.
Wheels.
I don't know whether to believe you or not, but I think I do.
Some pretty cool old signs.
Hawaii's hard, Alaska's hard. Yeah, yeah. So I did like.
Nice cooler.
Go to a show out there.
Little Fords. You can only get a small seat in them, can't you? Or mini, you know. Yeah. Well, they're so slim. That's what you need, isn't it? A Pinto head.
This table.
I'll tell you what are getting expensive now. The elbows. You can get them.
Are you? I am, when you go in, you parked, I'm up.
Someone's crying out for that.
When the entrance
Are they?
is in front of you,
Probably.
it's like a burger man.
You're not over here.
Not over here today.
What are you looking for, mate?
Is it Mark 2, leather or contour? The only thing in that sort of box.
I've got bits, but not here.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. No, he wasn't.
Plenty of handles there.
The drive sounds about fucking 2 years.
Coolness. Very nice.
Okay.
No clock there. All new old stock. Angular lenses.
Behind you. Yeah.
Nice mirrors.
Are these cut for Mark 2?
Aye.
Are they about the length from Mark 2?
Nice old set of wheels.
Yeah. I've seen them before. What car they come off?
Alright guys. Nice old printing press. Cortina. Lovely.
Yes, mate.
You break your leg on the way home now.
Oh no! We have a crash. No, don't say that.
No.
Yeah.
Pretty cool old sign. Now guys, that's some nice stuff. Have a look at it. Cool. Yes.
Aircon?
No one's got one up there, but if we go down the museum, one of our blokes down there, St Johnson, one of them might have one. Yeah, they do, yeah. I've got them out in the class, but they can't in the car.
So Mark Morris.
Told us, it's alright, we still got it.
Very nice old cars.
These are useless. All you see is this here. Yeah. You can't see behind.
Old truck.
Red, which it wasn't before, right up to there.
Nice, isn't it?
Going to put his filming on that in a minute.
Old Morris. Cool. Yeah.
Still cool, isn't it?
Yeah, nice.
Perspex over that. Take the flames off the side of Perspex. Loads of chrome.
Pretty cool. Look at that, 390. Got some shape to it.
The old classic Detroit. What's that? Yeah. Yeah. I think we might have seen it here before.
I do like that car. Got some tyre under it and all.
It's got an Opel badge on the front.
Another nice old truck. It's quite neat, isn't it? Love that. Little Clubman. The colour really suits it and all, doesn't it? The wheels.
That trim on it.
The wheels. To be fair, you can't beat 10-inch wheels on a Minnow. Little tiny wheels just look cool, they just look right.
They go with the size of the car, don't they?
Oh.
Oh, they're in the car.
Yeah, I know.
That's what my first car was, one of these, Richard. I had the 2 litre version. I had the 2 litre version.
Love that. Velvet 63. Got the LS in it. Looks well.